You won't believe how expensive roaming can be until you travel without an ESIM. The surprising truth about Montenegro is that ESIMs are the cheapest and easiest way to stay connected. An ESIM is a digital SIM card that works without inserting a physical card. You install it by scanning a QR code, and your phone connects instantly to local networks. In Montenegro, traditional roaming fees can cost several dollars per megabyte. That's why most travelers use ESIMs for maps, messaging, and bookings. After testing multiple options, the best ESIMs for Montenegro are those offering regional European coverage with strong local partners. The key factors are speed, price, and ease of installation. Most good ESIM plans offer between 1 GB to 10 GB of data, valid for 7 to 30 days. For example, 5 GB usually lasts an average traveler about 2 weeks for maps, social media, and emails. Installation is simple. You buy the plan online, scan the QR code in your phone settings, and activate it. No store visits, no passport, no paperwork. The biggest advantage is reliability. You connect to major European networks, which gives strong coverage in cities like Pagorka, Budva, and Kotor. Even coastal areas have solid signal. Most people get this wrong by waiting until arrival. Airport SIM cards are usually overpriced and limited. Buying an ESIM before traveling saves money and stress. The only downside is compatibility. Older phones may not support ESIM. Make sure your device supports it before buying. In conclusion, the best ESIM for Montenegro is one that offers European regional coverage, flexible data plans, and instant activation. It's cheaper than roaming and far easier than physical SIM cards. Subscribe for more travel tech guides so you stay connected anywhere in the world without overpaying. Title start KeyBank Latitude credit card review watch before you apply title BND script start most people think all low interest credit cards are the same. But here's why the KeyBank Latitude card surprises a lot of applicants. It's not flashy, but it might save you more money than premium rewards cards. The KeyBank Latitude credit card is designed mainly for people who want low interest. In simple terms, this is not a travel or cashback card. Its main selling point is stability and affordability. The first thing to know is the interest rate. The Latitude card typically offers a much lower ongoing APR compared to standard credit cards. This makes it ideal for people who carry balances or want to consolidate debt. Instead of paying 20% or more, you may qualify for a rate closer to the low teens. Over a year, that difference can save hundreds of dollars. Another strong feature is the introductory balance transfer offer. Many versions of this card provide 0% interest for several months on transferred balances. That means you can move debt from higher interest cards and pay it down without interest for a limited time. Most people get this wrong by ignoring balance transfer fees, so always check the percentage before moving large amounts. The card has no annual fee, which makes it budget-friendly. There are no complicated reward systems to manage. This simplicity is actually a benefit for users who just want predictable monthly bills. However, you won't get fancy perks. There is no travel insurance, no lounge access, and no big sign-up bonuses. If you are someone who pays off balances every month and wants points for miles, this card may feel boring. KeyBank also offers solid customer support and online banking tools. You can track spending, set alerts, and manage payments easily through their mobile app. In conclusion, the KeyBank Latitude card is best for people who care more about low interest than rewards. It's a smart choice for debt management and financial stability, not for luxury benefits. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews so you choose based on real value, not hype.